Alright, so I got a different backer plate made up here than what I previously had with all the slots. Somebody smarter than me on YouTube said, hey, don't put all the wires behind because that's going to be a pain in the ass for wiring, troubleshooting, debugging, and fixing. So I scrapped that version, went back a version. I might do a little 3D printed cover for all these wires, but this is how far I was able to get wiring today, just because the rest of the wire that I had ordered didn't show up today, but I did have the motor wire, so I got the 3 X, Y, and Z stepper motors wired, labeled, trimmed, and what is it called? Terminal locks, or terminal connectors put on. The only ones I didn't do were the Axis ready ones for the XYZ. I might tie these together to one or to 3 different outputs. I've got to go through and finish mapping out all the rest of these pinouts and stuff for, you know, the spindle and all that fun stuff. But I'll do that tonight. I'll map out all this stuff so that I know when I get the wire I can start working through that. The other thing you can hear my machine is on. I've got Linux CNC installed on the computer in here. It is running, it's connected, it boots up. Now I just got to figure out which I guess skin I want to go with, which one matches the screen resolution that I have the best, which one looks nice and new and matches the machine to some degree, or a customized one. I did like QT Dragon, but this screen is kind of a weird 4:3 aspect ratio. It's not a true 16:9. So I might have to play around with that. I want Pro Basic is the one that I want, but I was having trouble getting it installed. I might try that again soon. But now I can start, once I get that wired, simultaneously getting the HAL file set up so I can get the machine, then talking to the Mesa board and that whole fun stuff. My goal is to get this machine moving in the next 2 weeks. I don't need it cutting yet. I just want it moving in the next 2 weeks. If I can get it spindle going, great. Because I know the beast is, this thing is going to be the elephant in the room, the tool turret. So I just want to get it moving first. Cool.